A laundry detergent that lasts 720 loads? I have your savings and a product test coming right up. I don't believe what that annoying guy on YouTube was about to tell me. No, I didn't believe it either. Hi, I'm the annoying guy on YouTube. I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt. Granted, I love testing products, and I love finding whether some of these as seen on TV promises actually live up to their name. The EcoEgg is a laundry detergent that replaces your conventional powders or chemicals or whatever it is you're putting into your wash. And for 720 loads, you get laundry that comes out looking great. These are our whites, and you know, with the new baby, is this my wife's? Nope, that's my daughter's. That was just an inside joke, it's fine. I'm doing more laundry than ever before in my life. She is too. And all of our clothing is not only coming out looking beautifully, it smells good, it stays bright, the stains are removed to an extent that I would have never thought possible with something called the EcoEgg. I'm gonna show you how this works, put it to the test. If you wanna find the lowest recorded price on this, just expand the video description box. There is my favorite deal for today, but let me show you this in action. So this is the EcoEgg. It has a locking mechanism on the back. We're gonna unlock it, and we're gonna take the top half off. You get enough capsules for 720 loads, but this is what you do for your first 72 loads. Put in 3 bags of these. Now they're non-toxic. They actually look delicious. Don't eat them. These go in here. And after 72 loads, these will all dissolve. That's how you know you're done. These actually look like cookies and cream Dippin' Dots if you've ever had those. Again, don't eat these. These are non-toxic, but that's kind of what they look like to me. We're gonna close the capsule. These are all safe and sound inside here, and this is gonna be what I put into my washer. I'm doing more laundry trips than ever before with an infant, and I will tell you that I'm so excited about this product because not only the money I save, but again, not having to buy detergent on top of diapers and all that other fun stuff really saves you time and money. So this is what works. Any front loading wash, top loading washer, it's all fine. Compatible, easy. You're not gonna damage the inside of your machine or anything like that. The detergent is in here very, very heavily concentrated, but also built to last. Now you saw what I did with that. We're gonna put all of our laundry in. I'm gonna do a color load. Of course, this works with whites. It keeps your laundry looking bright and beautiful. We're gonna close this up. Turn it on, and just as you would do a regular wash, no other modifications that you need to make. You turn it on and you let this detergent that lasts forever pretty much go to work for you. I should say one other cool thing. The washer has the same warranty as the EcoEgg. That has a 10-year warranty. This is a 10-year warranty. That's kind of cool. The EcoEgg Laundry Egg is a natural detergent breakthrough. It really does leave your laundry fresh and clean, and it lasts for 720 washes. This replaces detergent without any harmful chemicals. It's hypoallergenic. It's safe around an infant, as I've discovered, and eco-friendly to the point where your colors will stay bright, but you can finally use a product that does not have any phosphates, petrochemicals, or enzymes. Not only are you benefiting your wallet and the environment, but you're also supporting Water for Kids. That's an initiative to get kids safe water for the first time. So you're helping the world around you and your bottom line. Really cool product. It works. I wouldn't stand up here and tell you something worked if it didn't, because I care about your wallet and the purchases you make. One of my favorite things about this channel is I not only get to save you money, but I get to show you my favorite items that work. And sometimes I'll hear from people and say, well, what about the items that don't work? It's a deal channel. I'm not going to show you items that stink. So for an item to actually make the final cut, it has to be good. I put everything through all of these trials and unboxings and my own sense of tribulations before they make their way to you. And this is something that definitely gets 2 big thumbs up from me. If you expand the video description box, you can find the deal. I love this. And if there's any questions that you have about this, leave them. I'll get your questions answered as quickly as I can in the comment section. Now, if you would like to make sure you don't miss other huge deals like this, I do tech, I do lifestyle items, although this is definitely one of the cooler items I featured this week. There is a very easy way to get subscribed. Click on my head right here to subscribe to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, just click right above the laundry basket. And if you want to see the last big roundup I did, well, just click on the corner of the laundry basket. Don't worry, it's clean, it's all fine. The spit up is clear, and you will get hooked up.